Shakeone Satchwell. Some say Shakeone Satchwell. Some say Satchwell. You remember the youth there? The number 7 there from stats. Corner up on the right side, he take it with the left foot. Corner up on the left side, he take it with the right foot. Free kick, he take it with the left foot. Free kick, he take it with the right foot. That special player. Yeah, man, him at about. You remember him? I don't know if you remember him. You remember him? The question is, where him there?
Shakeone Satchwell lined that one up around 30 yards from goal. He's their danger man. And with his 13th goal of the season, he's put St. Andrew Technical on top. Saw the space. It opened for him. And right from the underside of the crossbar, it was brilliant. And brilliance is what he does.
Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. We're going to speak about Shakeone Satchwell, a very, very talented youngster. And a lot of persons have been asking me recent time, hey, MG, where's that youth that used to play for Stats, two-footed, I can't see, very, very skilled. Yes, that's the youth we're going to speak about. That's the youngster we're going to speak about. Actually, born June 22nd, 2004, he's 20 years old. And when I see back in age, I said, that means he leave here really early. He left Jamaica really early. All right, so at this present moment, he's at Rudar. It's a club in Slovenia, the second tier of Slovenia. He's in the second tier of Slovenia, Rudar. So, you see, the other part I name, Slovenia name them. Yeah. I don't want to kill myself with them pronunciation there. But that's the club that he's at right now. But the club that he started off was actually at Ragaska, NK Ragaska. And he also assists this club in winning one of their first ever trophy in the Slovenia 4th tier division. So when he started off, he went to the 4th tier division at Ragaska. And as I said, he helped them to win. I think it's a Slovenia Cup. Yeah, Slovenian Cup. They're Slovenian Cup winners. And he came off the bench. The game was 1-0. Did not lose 1-0. Came off the bench, provided an assist for the equalizer. And they went and win the game in penalty shootout. And he scored his penalty as well. So may I tell you, he made a huge, huge impact in the club's history. Now, doing that, other clubs seeing that. A 19-year-old coming to the Slovenian league, doing those stuff. Remember, when he was at Slovenia, it's not necessarily that he played a lot of games in the 4th tier. He didn't necessarily play a lot of games in the 4th tier. But when he did play, he actually had an impact. He had quite an impact when he did play. Now, at this present moment, he's actually playing at a centre forward at Rudar. Let me give you this, people. This is the interesting part of it. And I've been taking note of him so far this season. The games are hard to see. Sometimes I may have a link in for you. Send me a link so I can watch some of my games. All right. So this season, in the 2nd tier of the Slovenia League, he has 7 appearances. 7 appearances, registering 5 goals. Ranked number 3 on the goal scoring chart at 20 years old. 20 years old, people. He already had his first season at Ragaska, where he get to acclimatize, adapt to the culture, adapt to how they play football. Let me tell you how far he adapt to the culture. He even start trim like them. First time, he even start trim like them. That is a way called adaptation. He started to trim like them. I find it funny. But it's quite interesting at this as it stands right now. He's looking good. He's playing really, really sharp, scoring quite a few goals. And it's good. Over the weekend, so far, let me show the goal. Let me give you the goals that he scored. He's becoming a regular now in the team. So leading the line for the team. He's actually the Radar leading goal scorer at this present moment. So it's a good look. It's a real. Is it Rudar? Rudar. My apologies. Rudar. NK Rudar. I don't know anything already for them language aspect. So it's something I load people. My apologies. It's trying to load up already from a long time. Should have done so. Yeah. So you don't know, so 20 are also registered a trophies to his name. So that's actually really, really good. So these are the goals that I'm scored. The teams that I'm scored. The goals that I'm scoring now. When he was at he went to the Slovenian fourth division, but he also played at Prva Liga. He had 17 appearances at the Prva Liga. The Prva Liga, let me give you more information on that one. Let me give a little bit more information on that one, people. So when he was at when Satchwell was at Regaska, what happened is that they were in the first tier. I think competition license and also bankruptcy caused them to be relegated at the end of the season straight down to the fourth tier. Now Satchwell moved from Regaska in the fourth tier, joined Rudar in the second tier. Now he played 17 appearances in the Primavera. So because he was a part of the first tier, more than likely say he has that level of experience. So that is something that they were looking at. So I may not make the move now to Rudar, and that's where this season he started off doing so well. 7 appearances, 5 goals. I tell you, that's a really, really good return where numbers are concerned, but not just that, where his performances are concerned. If you get to see the games, all right. So they play on Saturdays. So them time different. Sometimes early morning, sometimes 5 o'clock, sometimes 4 o'clock. That are the difficulty. So I only like about 2 games to play. Me see 2 or 3 games. Me see, and I am saying me link them. The games, one of the games I me see him not play one cup game, and he send me one Wednesday 11 o'clock in the morning. Me dey watch one cup game, and then watch one cup game, one league game, one Saturday morning as well. So that's kind of complicated to actually catch a game on time. But so far he's looking good. He's doing extremely well for himself. And it is a good look. Hopefully, something crazy happened for him in continue up on the same part of go. I don't know. So once him continue scoring like this, like basically, he must score a goal per game. If he continues like this, I am 100% sure that he won't be there much longer. So as I said, it is a big thing. It's a good look for the youngster, and I want him to continue. What's going to happen? What's going to happen? We might see him in the national team at some point. Will we see him in the national team? I don't know, but he does have some skill set. Me and Tiller we definitely need. When he was at Statson, he wasn't necessarily a striker and play out wide, play as a left winger, cuts inside, but sometimes he plays as an attacking midfielder. Has an engine, works extremely hard. Very, very hard worker. And I love the fact that you'd have gone to Europe and adapt so well and also perform well. Unfortunate that Ragaska end up because basically, what they call now, administration. Unfortunate so that he end up come out of the top tier. But based off how he go right now, the trajectory in the pan, most definitely will be back into the top tier of the Slovenia League. Most definitely. Or maybe, just maybe, making a different move. He's just 20 years old. He actually turned 20 this year. So I don't know if he has a bright future ahead of him. So let's see how this one materializes, people. Big up on yourself. Smash the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Big up yourself, Satchwell. Go on, the brilliant work. Now, see you guys again. Until next time, people. MG Sports TV. We're out. God bless. Boom.
Here's a long range shot.